Hey everyone, I just wanted to share my experience checking if I was eligible for a refund from Amigo Loans, because a lot of people still don't realize they might actually be owed money back. If you ever took out an Amigo loan or acted as a guarantor, this could be really useful. So, a while back, I borrowed from Amigo Loans, and honestly, at the time, I didn't fully understand what I was getting into. They gave loans to people who often couldn't get credit elsewhere, and many of those loans, including mine, were found to be unaffordable or irresponsibly lent. That basically means Amigo didn't properly check whether we could realistically afford to repay the loan without falling into financial hardship. How I found out. I started hearing about people getting refunds or compensation for these types of loans. So, I decided to check if I was eligible. The process was surprisingly simple. I went to the Amigo Loans scheme portal, you can find it on their website, and entered my details to see if I had a valid claim. You can also contact the Financial Ombudsman Service if you think your case wasn't handled fairly. How eligibility works. Here's the key part. You might be eligible for a refund if Amigo didn't properly check your income and expenses before lending. You struggled to make payments or had to borrow more to stay afloat. You were a guarantor and ended up making payments because the borrower couldn't. If any of those sound familiar, you should definitely check your status. The refunds or redress payments are usually meant to cover the interest and charges you shouldn't have paid. But keep in mind, because Amigo went into a repayment scheme, refunds are often partial, not the full amount. My outcome. In my case, I did get confirmation that I was eligible for a small refund. It wasn't a huge amount, but honestly, it felt good knowing Amigo acknowledged the issue. Even if you don't get much, it's worth submitting your claim. It costs nothing and only takes a few minutes online. So, if you've ever had an Amigo loan or guaranteed one, don't ignore this. Check your refund eligibility today. It's quick, free, and could put some money back in your pocket. I hope my experience helps someone else out there. If you found this useful, give it a like and share it so more people can see it.